Welcome to English Stories with Diego, where you learn English through thrilling tales. Today's story is called The Night the Power Went Out. It's a mysterious night. The lights go off. Something strange is outside the window. Listen carefully, improve your vocabulary, and practice grammar with real situations. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was a cold Friday night in November. The wind was blowing hard, and the trees outside were shaking. Sarah was alone at home. Her parents had gone to visit her grandmother in another town. She didn't mind being alone. In fact, she was enjoying her evening. She was watching a movie, eating popcorn, and texting her best friend Lisa. The clock showed 9:13 p.m. Everything was fine, until the power suddenly went out. The lights turned off. The TV went black. Her phone lost Wi-Fi. At first, Sarah thought it was just a short blackout. She waited for a few minutes, sitting on the couch, but the lights didn't come back. She stood up, grabbed a flashlight from the drawer, and started walking through the house. She was checking the windows, trying to see if other houses had lights. Everything was dark outside. While she was looking out the window, she heard a soft sound behind her. It sounded like something was hitting the back door. She froze. Her heart started to beat faster. She slowly walked toward the kitchen, where the back door was. The sound stopped. Sarah was about to turn away when it started again. She held the flashlight tightly and opened the curtain near the door. There was nothing there. Just the empty backyard. She laughed nervously. Maybe it's just the wind, she whispered to herself. She walked back to the living room and sat on the couch. She was trying to stay calm. She was texting Lisa again when she heard another sound, this time from upstairs. She stopped typing. "Is someone up there?" she said out loud, even though she knew no one could answer. She didn't want to go upstairs, but she couldn't just sit there. She slowly climbed the stairs. Her flashlight was shaking in her hand. While she was walking up, she heard something fall in her bedroom. She opened the door quickly and pointed the light inside. Her books were on the floor. They had fallen from the shelf. "Okay, maybe it's just the wind again," she said. She picked up the books and turned around. When she saw a shadow move across the hallway, she stopped breathing for a moment. She listened. She heard nothing. She walked slowly toward the hallway. While she was looking into her brother's room, the door behind her slammed shut. She screamed and ran down the stairs. She was trying to call her mom, but there was no signal. She opened the front door and ran outside. While she was standing on the porch, breathing heavily, the lights in the house suddenly came back on. Everything was normal again. The TV was playing. The Wi-Fi was working. The heating turned on. She didn't know what to do. Should she go back inside? She decided to wait in the neighbor's house until her parents returned. The next morning, her dad checked the house. Nothing was broken. The back door was locked. All windows were closed. Everything seemed normal. But then, her father found something strange. In the backyard, under the kitchen window, there were footprints. They were large, muddy footprints. Too large to be hers. And they weren't there the day before. Did you enjoy the story? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to learn English. For more stories like this, follow us on TikTok and watch our YouTube shorts too. See you in the next story. And remember, never ignore a sound in the dark.